Here's a Python tip you may not have seen before. I have two lists, keys and values, with 3 values each. I want to create a dictionary where each of the key elements maps to the corresponding one in values. So for instance, I want Alice to map to 35, Bob to 25, and Charlie to 70. Pause the video to try to come up with a solution yourself. Here's one solution that you may have tried. I first create an empty dictionary and then loop through all indices that are in both lists. I need indices here because I'm indexing both lists at the same time. Or do I need indices? If I'm doing indices, I need to use the min function to loop over the shorter of the list, since I don't want to loop outside the bounds of one of the lists. Then inside the loop, I set keys of IDX to be the dictionary's key and the value to be values of IDX. At this point, I'm very tired of saying indices, so I think we can do a lot better. Here's one idea that you should absolutely use part of, but not the one I'm going to eventually arrive at. The zip function takes several iterables and produces one iterable with each element from the originals one at a time. It handles all of the logic to finish when one iterable finishes before another. However, this is still somewhat clunky, as all the loop is doing is assigning into a dictionary. Why can't the dictionary just do the work itself? Well, it can. A dictionary's initializer accepts an iterable of pairs, where the first item in the pair will be the key and the second will be the value. This is about as beautiful and Zen-like Python as you are going to get. Additionally, the dictionary initializer will reuse the same tuple on each iteration, so the allocator won't have to request memory each time. If you need to construct dictionaries and have the keys and values already, do this. It will make your Python code more beautiful, more maintainable, and is faster.